Mr. Douglas!
Mr. Douglas!
As a lawyer, Dave Douglas has no rival.
You guys see the trial in the evening news? Great shot of your dad on Channel 8.
As a father,
Josh's teacher called. He's flunking math.
Okay, great. I'd say the same thing.
he has no clue.
You have to connect with the whole family again.
But an unlikely visitor
You're so cute.
There's a dog in the kitchen.
with an unbelievable power is about to change his life in ways he never could have imagined.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is that me? I'm not a dog. I'm clearly in a dream. Just gotta wake up. No! All right. I'm a dog.
Now,
Last night I turned into a dog. Then I turned back into being human.
he can't ignore it.
Objection, Your Honor. Mr. Douglas.
Did you just growl at opposing counsel?
He can't control it.
How's football going?
It's been a pretty tough year.
Yeah?
But seeing the world from a new perspective
Hey, what are you doing in my daughter's bedroom?
Go fetch, boy.
I'm not your boy, and I'm not gonna go. Hey, I'll be right back.
is opening his eyes to everything he's been missing.
All my dad cares about is having a son who's a good football player.
I can't believe you think that. Got to make this better. There's nothing more important to me than family.
Honey, he's really a wonderful father. You know, just have a very normal lifestyle.
From Walt Disney Pictures. This spring,
No, bad doggy!
I am Dad.
Bingo.
the whole world is going to the dogs.
The kids are trying to convince me you're a dog.
That's weird.
That is not the only thing that's weird.
No, not that. You ought to see what I'm looking at.
Tim Allen,
Shit. I meant the dog.
the Shaggy Dog.